How to obtain idCAT Mòbil via video identification. idCAT Mòbil is a secure identification and authentication system that allows you to carry out procedures with the public administrations of Catalonia. With idCAT Mòbil, no need to remember passwords, no installation required, usable from any device, free of charge, it doesn't expire, and you can request it if you're over 16 years old. Video identification involves recording a video from any device with a camera and sending it so the administration can validate your identity. You'll need your ID documents and a computer, tablet, or smartphone with a camera to record the video. Go to idCAT.cat. Click the button Sign Up. Click again on Sign Up. Press the Start button. The guided assistant will help you, and when it recommends signing up using a selfie, click Start Registration with Selfie. Click the Start button. Click Accept to agree to the service conditions. Fill out the form with your personal data. You will receive an email from the Generalitat de Catalunya with instructions to register for idCAT Mòbil via video identification. Once you receive the email, access the link from your mobile phone to begin the video identification process. You'll need to allow access to your camera. The tool gives you audio instructions. You will need to show your ID, front and back, and look at the camera. Once done, the system will inform you that identification is complete. After finishing the video identification process, an operator will verify your identity and register you for the idCAT Mòbil service. Congratulations! You will receive an email with the verification result within 48 hours, excluding non-working days.